The third basic biology grant that we funded is from Dr. Koren at Cornell University. And he studies how, a very basic process, how is DNA copied in cells? How does it replicate when cells grow and divide? So every time a cell divides, it needs a full copy of all your DNA, which is a lot of DNA. And in studying that, he found that the PWS region of chromosome 15 is really unique in that the paternal, the chromosome from dad, replicates differently than the maternal chromosome. And so he hypothesizes that when we lose that paternal chromosome 15, the actual consequence is that the whole replication of DNA gets thrown off, and that actually is what is causing the cells not to divide and differentiate the way they should. So his goal is to determine if the PWS features are actually the result of alterations in the timing and programming of DNA replication. So it's a really different way of thinking about PWS, not really the genes that are there, but the way the DNA is being replicated. So we're excited about this study because it's addressing a different way of thinking about the underlying problem in PWS, why the cells have an abnormal growth and differentiation that has been shown by many groups. He's using some advanced technologies to understand this kinetics that really wasn't available years ago, so it's applying these newer technologies. And he's collaborating with a really great group at Columbia University that's developed some really good PWS stem cells to look at. So the ultimate goal of this work is to determine whether the underlying developmental differences that is typical in PWS is driven by this change in how the DNA is replicating.